Stop killing our brothers and police brutality. Say answers, answers, answers. Save the life of innocent people. Ooh, answers. Stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent people. Answers, answers, answers. So end police brutality. Oh, answers, answers, answers. Stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent citizens. Answers, oh, answers, answers. And police brutality. Oh, answers, answers. Stop killing the brothers. Stop killing the children, say oh, and police brutality. Oh, yeah. Stop killing the brothers and police brutality. Say answers, answers, answers. Save the life of innocent people. Ooh, answers. Ooh, stop.
I won't pop your more. Or 20 video. Me, I swing, and no swing. I didn't know you. I'm more brain again. Is your boy webby? Well, go to the bay.
What man would I name? Me, where your boy? You have a winning average. Or she may catch or no man, or name is your man. Who know women are why I get your boy. I didn't wait beside though.
Okay,
la go la why go back you need me where your ear caloto and all the sass la go where come with a fire in the time of power winner maybe you way no loud the man where your boy mom
how does he ye when you work one me
matter so maybe you way no loud hey, I want with beer. What's it? That's not what I'm making. It's a casero or magile. Oh, your
brothers. Stop killing innocent people. Answers, answers, answers. So end police brutality. Oh, answers, answers, answers. Stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent citizens.
You not see me now. Very my area of work and any problem? Any problem? Yes. SARS. So SARS.
One now, lesbian. What? Lesbian.
Lesbian.
Yes. How? Let me address you. Come on, go on now. Why you put it together? Now we're
sorry, I'm lesbian. No, we are not lesbian. Just went to hang out. I'll say my king. I hang out. Yes.
Anyway, how would you like this?
Is there anything wrong for me to hang out with my female friends? can dress like this. Yes.
What kind of dress is this?
What is wrong
with your dress? No, what is this? What is this? What are you exposing?
Mr. Mawa, calm down. Eh? What are the lesbian with you? Why are anybody who wanted me about the it's not fair. Eh?
My friend, will you keep quiet? I'm a boyfriend.
Yes.
Shall I be friend with? Oh, yeah, for what?
Yes.
We'll call that a boyfriend. Now. Or you are, yes, or you go with us. I'll slap your mouth.
Some policemen, it's just very bad. Yeah, this is my boyfriend.
Yeah, I want you, man. When you see the way they dress, I'll see how we have our one here. Sorry. See how we have our one. How we look at, see how we have our one. See how we have our one. This? Wow, wow.
If the boyfriend is like a journey, let look at it over. One of them, my friend,
Stop killing innocent people.
Guys, to this remittance.
Sir, level ma na sir. Runda ya obosi ma wa mi e. Ma kan te mo ari ATM no ya withdraw ego. Awi ko ni wa reva na wa embarrass ma wa po boleli ma. We oje mahin, oje SARS mahin. The embarrassment was just too much. Sir,
Sir, the insult was too much. I could say, was too much. I may drive it back.
Can you listen to yourselves? Huh? Listen to yourselves. When we see Gui, Hankopi Gua, they a market women. Just men market with maybe we are hamwa we ojiwakin. Oh, I do not understand. Is that what you guys are telling me that why me today now? Listen, let me tell you guys, and let today be the last warning. When you have the gun, I don't just put a bullet into the air. Everybody will disperse. You have the gun. Okay, embarrass your go sick away. Fear. Then you call me. Then I'll cover it up. Listen, I want to warn you. Listen, yes, as the head of the patrol team, Inspector James,
sir,
let me tell you something. Abu, why you go guy?
Sir, no.
No, sir.
No, that is what it looks like. Men market women when you are doing your job. Listen, listen, my temperature is high right now.
Sorry,
listen, by tomorrow, nothing comes, I will change this thing. Are you not able to go guy?
No,
nonsense.
We are sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. Idiot.
The man understand the Oga. Nina lima ye patrol the water not no going on. Or doing sort of 1 year way. Mana gbele wa ya wa makia mi ni. Dey oma gaba. Eye wo ge corporate.
Brothers, stop killing innocent.
Hey, but now, God, no, you make one.
Observe. Not these people with this. Let's say not kill everything.
Not them again. I don't
What they happen now? What's in this?
That's what they be.
Hey, my friend. What is your problem? Can't you see we are on duty? What's the problem? Where are you coming from? Please off your information. Calm down. I said calm down. Calm down for the long. Give me the key. Give me the key. Officer, I don't think give me the key. Give me the key. Give me the key.
Okay, see what happen now.
Follow. Move.
I don't know. You never ask me question. May I give you my key? Imagine, they call you I said it. Excuse me. I have been working in the police force for over 25 years. Remind me where the big goes in Nollywood. The federal government has not paid me this amount of money. You got to work. Student here, student.
Women know what I'm saying. My mind low a gold. I talk in your working and doing.
Very good.
Only no, I'm not low.
I don't have any problem with you. Can I see your phone? Your phone.
Bring your phone.
Check every motor.
Go down.
All of you go down. Go down.
I'm down now.
Go down. Sit down. No, you want to teach me my work, Abi? I'm over. Thief. No, let me have your phone.
You are pressing us.
Wow. My phone and my property. Come on. Hey, wait, let me give you. Officer, come on, take that phone.
You want to run, eh? I'm Robert. Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
You are embarrassing us.
Give me that phone. Your phone.
Woman phone. Woman phone. My your phone. Your phone. Your phone.
Your phone. Now go down. Let me have that phone. I will slap you. How can you be that for you?
So anyone do it. Why misbehave? Why? Will you keep quiet? Will you keep quiet? I will punish you.
I will never come
tell me you tell me your.
What's my offense? But you guys know you are a man.
Let's stop you and force me. Let's stop you. Will you keep quiet?
Hello. Keep quiet.
Officer, give me my phone.
Which phone? Look at me very well. What is doing now?
If I not check my phone,
you don't beat my girlfriend. You don't tear it.
I will start with you.
Even if you're an officer, you don't tear it.
I will start with you. Who are you? I will kill you.
Are you okay?
I put cash on your head. I will kill you.
Come. You are the one that started this action. Are you see? God will punish you today.
Not check that phone. Not check that phone.
Now, I have the code. Put your code. Okay,
they not shake people. They shake phone.
Put your code. Yahoo boy. I said, put your code.
Why you break your teeth? You want to fight
to protect us, not to harass us. What kind of?
You defraud people of their money. Yeah, you go and carry this ashawo.
Officer, stop that.
Officer, don't invade my privacy. Okay, don't invade my privacy.
Don't see you, man.
Invade my privacy.
What's your own?
Okay, now.
You can call people's girlfriend, ashawo.
Who be this Indian woman?
Okay, now try to get white.
When you are in Nigeria, hold this phone. Hold this phone. Are you crazy? Don't finish. Who get this phone? Very good. So you clone a number to defraud people, right? Is this a real number? I will tell you. Sit down on the floor. If you resist, I will kill you. Sit down on the floor.
Who can gonna use sense? Okay. Who can gonna use sense?
Bring the police.
Take it easy. Who can gonna use sense?
Okay. What's this
you know your friend. It's long we have been saying.
They don't check phone. They don't check phone.
We have arrested a lot of suspects now.
Okay, I don't be suspect, oh.
Yes. Okay. You will suffer. You won't tell me you know too much, eh? Instead of you to come down and talk to the officer of the law.
Politely, you are shouting. You are shouting. You know how to shout.
Okay, don't be.
Don't get up there. Don't get up there.
Hey, why they go see that? Why you mark your number?
Bros, I beg.
Go make. I said sit down on the floor.
Calm down.
You go.
Get up. Go and reason with him. Idiot. What we have done since.
Shut. You are what
when you are defrauding people, giving the country a bad name, you also you are good citizen. You fraud people of their money.
What are you about to do now? What are you about to do? I'm not happy with you. I'm not happy with you.
Until you die.
Because I'm doing nonsense.
You will die. When you
die today, let me die no more.
You will go and bury you in the grave. You'll be happy in the grave. I want to tell you what you don't understand. We are good. Police is your friend. But you don't know how to play this. You don't get to sack. You don't get to iPhone 11S Max. 11S Max you are using. No, people where they use idiot. God punish all of that. People where they use police of your now they defraud people. Idiot. I'm going to do I deal with you. Stay there. I deal with you now, pa.
You deal with me. Wait for deal with me. I got top who are there. Why miss?
If I deal with you now. They will say the police are not working. Police are not working. Calm down.
But you also don't to us now. All this kind of understand. You can't take this one. No more return to Oji. But I tell you.
See ya. Hey, October. Shut up your mouth. I shall like you. What are you doing with this boy? Is it hard to dress? Is it hard to dress?
You don't tell you 200,000. Are you going to work with 90? When you celebrate your uniform.
When you down,
the uniform, I'm going to respect you.
I said when you down, when you down, Osi, if they are not ready to comply, don't bother yourself. Look at the food you are carrying, big food. Yet, you are all carrying big food. You are the difference.
You know, you want way for one.
What? This is exhibit. It's exhibit.
Exhibit. You see anything inside?
Exhibit. Let's not use it. Let's not come out again for Let's not come out again. Bring the van. Come on, bring the country with the van here.
I know
this man was going. They are not ready to cooperate.
But she may making a turn now. Okay, man, can't know your face soft.
Oh, you are.
Can't not feel your soft.
Let me say. Meanwhile, they work for election. See as I drive. See you now, idiot. See you now. You get a war. You go suffer. Don't comply. Only say. You suffer. You suffer.
Okay, man, look mad. A boy is ready to pop your way.
What's now? I said to him, I'm going to get
No, see what this
guy is saying. Let's get up now.
Someone shot you though. No, they say.
Give my phone. I don't know for
me. No. One. Hey, shut up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shut up. Okay, my brother. 1, 2, 3.
What's the apple?
Go, do. Why you shouting?
Well, you see your life. The best.
If nobody this good man, if nobody this good citizen of this nation, come on, go back to your car. Go back to your car.
say police is wrong.
I stop while I misbehave. My friend, keep quiet and leave this place, my friend.
My phone, we call it
idiot. Hey, my friend, get up! Go! I said go! My friend, go!
Brothers, stop killing innocent people. And SARS. So end police brutality. Oh, and SARS.
So we're sure we get one
sister where they big go. Hey guy now, who we go yen? She go nye. So minutes. Okay, any ke picky, e po mo yen shape mi e ke picky. Tiyan ye me bari ano to sa lo kwa ta kan bi. I go nye wo.
E wo bi na. Le hiya.
Yeah.
Brothers, stop killing innocent people. And SARS.
Oh my God, of course.
Hello, excuse me. How are you?
Ross.
Good. Come on here.
What's here? SARS, my baby. Baby, we should be got them yes, so I was so not embarrassing.
My dear, hey, you are doing it for me. My friend? Sikedia. You want to Sikedia? Sikedia.
Baby, calm down.
Sikedia, stay.
Embarrassment or too much go. I don't like.
Will you keep quiet?
Yes, before we can work it out.
Okay, now let me have your phone.
Your phone, bros. Not by private.
My friend, will you give me my friend? The other one, no cable.
No.
Embarrassment now too much go.
Will you keep quiet? My friend,
Bros.
Will you keep your mouth shut?
Nuna is very wrong. It's very
my
wrong.
friend.
It's very wrong.
Phone on low.
It's very wrong.
Jack Mojemi.
Because a girlfriend when you get picture get away. Privacy.
My friend, you have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say or do here,
for my phone,
for my phone. My friend, keep quiet.
Hey,
keep quiet.
This embarrassment is too much.
My friend, will you keep quiet? Are you not ashamed?
Hi.
What misbehave in the streets?
Larry, where can you channel there? Okay, I need a channel no banner.
I'll say no.
Okay, wait. Now, this Indian woman now, where we know.
But you know.
You are like the picture and
So you are a Yahoo boy.
Officer, my Yahoo boy.
Now we are defrauding. Well, we don't have any problem with you. My officer, take him. Let's go.
No.
For what?
Let's go.
Take him.
Let's go. My friend.
Fair. Okay, Daddy. Why won't you say to him, Nana? Why we transfer? No.
The transfer no run only here work because of limiting transfer limiting of the sharing. Okay. So we are here. It's here. So I give you something.
Okay, don't worry. You are giving us May. Understand? Here. You lawyer boy. I said it's me. No. Me. Good. Officer, don't wait. Me or no. Me or no.
Save it time, man.
The parole said,
Let's go. Baby, it's okay, Larry. Let's go.
Baby, Larry. Oh, see, I
Like,
don't talk to me like that.
Stop killing innocent people. And SARS. So end police brutality. Oh, and SARS. Stop killing our brothers. Stop killing innocent citizens. Oh, and SARS. And police brutality. SARS. Stop killing the brothers. Stop killing the children. And police brutality.
What is that?
By this time, we are all waiting for them.
Sir, you might go down Semendi.
Why you realize?
The other lane, so, the one I know well, and mechanic is sir. Yes, sir.
Mechanic dress. Look at the way you.
Sir, how when you have a Latviania, you know, when you have a Latvian.
Why they are on my balcony? Hey, you know what you tell, you tell what walking. I will mechanic here.
Larry, my friend, who are you? Sir, I'm a mechanic, sir. The phone, well, let me see your phone. Sir, you understand? The phone.
My friend, be quiet.
Let me see your phone. Sir, the phone. Now, down, kneel down. Go down. Sit down. Sir, I said go down. Go down. I said go down. You go down. I don't have the phone, sir.
Don't have the phone.
Shh. Wait. Crazy. Sir, il me phone.
Where phone? When I?
Eh?
So all mistakes now, all you to Maria.
Sir, he Yahoo boy.
Look at your phone.
He Yahoo boy.
Mechanic.
Damigo, Anya no banai. Oga tell me no rodo sir.
Yeah, no.
Okay. On avez-vous? Oga se me no, Oga se confie ouais. Yes sir.
The boy now is really my.
Sir, shut up, I will slap you
to the station.
This number is a clean number. You always phone 19. Oh, sir, my friend,
stand up.
Yes.
Stand up. Take him. Stand up. Stand up.
Say you go, sir.
Stand up.
The brothers, stop killing innocent people. And SARS. So end police brutality. Oh, and SARS. Stop killing a brother.